Hello children. So we saw in our last class, that is in our previous class, we saw the topic basic geometrical ideas. The chapter name was basic geometrical ideas. In that we saw a point, okay, a sharp tip of an object, we can say it is a point, okay, and then we join 2 points, that we can say it is a line segment, and that line segment both the sides are extending with the 2 arrow marks. With the arrow marks, we can say that is a line. Is it right? That is a straight line. Okay. And then we saw that is the 2 lines. Okay. We saw the line segment. It is line segment. From that we saw the line. Okay. Line is having 2 side arrow marks. Both the sides are it is moving. Is it right? No, children? So this is a line. Okay. So 2 line segments intersect each other. That we can say it is a intersecting lines. Okay. And then 2 lines are moving parallelly, that do not intersect at any point. That we can say it is a parallel lines. Okay. So these concepts we saw in our previous classes. Okay. Now in this class, let us see about a new topic, that is curve. Okay, curves. You learned in your earlier classes what is a curve. Okay. So a line that doesn't a straight line. Okay, that isn't a straight line. That we can say it is a curved line. Is it right? So this is a straight line. Okay, straight line. Both the sides are having arrow marks. Without arrow marks, that having an end point. So we can say that is a line segment. Is it right? Both the sides having arrow marks means that we can say it is a line. So this is a straight line. Okay. Other than this, we are drawing like this. Okay. So this is a curved line. This is curved line. Okay. So this curve we can say. So curved line means what? So other than straight line, we are drawing a line means that we can say it is a curved line. Okay. And curved line is having 3 types. Okay. See, curves. Curves is having 3 types. Okay. So what are those types? One is simple curve, and another one is open curve, and closed curve, Okay. So one is simple curve, open curve, and closed curve. The 3 types of curves are simple curve, open curve, and closed curve. Okay. So what is meant by a simple curve? Simple curve means the line segment is moving simply any type. Okay. So I will have it like this. Okay. This is a simple curve. Okay. Now let us go on to open curve. What is open curve? The end points, the starting point and end point of a curved line that doesn't meet. Okay. That we can say it is a. See, this is open curve. Okay. So it is a starting point A and it is an end point B. So starting and end point of the curve that doesn't meet, that we can say it is a open curve. Okay. And starting point and the end point is having meet at a point. That we can say it is a closed curve. Okay. So this is not only a closed curve. Okay. We can draw any type. Okay. See here like this also. So this is also a closed curve. Okay. So while starting point and end point of the curved line that meets at a point, that we can say it is a closed curve. Okay. So here simple curve, open curve, and closed curve. Okay, children. Okay. Now then we move on to the another topic, that is closed curve is having 3 subdivisions. Closed curve is having 3 subdivisions. What are those? Let us learn now. Okay. What are the 3 subdivisions of this closed curve? Okay. See, first one, interior of a curve. Interior of a curve. Interior of a curve. Okay. So if we have a closed boundary, okay, we have a closed curve. In that we have interior of that curve. No? So then we move on to the exterior of a curve. Exterior of a curve. And then boundary. Okay, that is a line segment. Curved line segment. Lines, curved line. Okay, that we can say it is a boundary of a curve. Boundary of a curve. Okay, boundary of a curve. See here we have so closed curve. Closed curve is now divided into three parts. What are the three parts of the closed curve? Interior of a curve, exterior of a curve, and boundary of a curve. Okay, so closed curve is having three parts. Is it right? Okay, understood, children? See, curves we are seeing now. That is, what are the types of curves? Simple curve, open curve, and closed curve. Okay, so closed curve is having three parts. What are the three parts? See, interior of a curve, exterior of a curve, and boundary of a curve. Okay, let us see with the example. See, we have this is a closed curve. Okay, so this is a closed curve. Okay, in this closed curve, we have the interior. Okay, we have the interior. So inside this boundary, okay, inside this boundary, see this one. This is the interior of the curve. Okay, this is the interior of the curve. And outside, see, a point A is exterior of the curved line. Okay, see here, this is exterior part of the curve. Okay, if this curve is belongs to the is inside the any figure. Okay, this is inside any figure, that is triangle or rectangle or square, anyway. So okay, so this curve is inside this figure. Okay, but the exterior of the curve we can say it is this place. This is exterior of the curve. Is it right? So we are drawing a curve in your classwork. Is it right? We are drawing a curve in our classwork. Okay, so in our classwork we have like this thing. Okay, this is our notebook paper. Think yourself. Okay, so exterior of the curve means the other places on the notebook. Okay, so this is exterior of the curve. Okay, so interior of the curve means inside the line, curved line. Okay, inside the curved line we can say it is the interior of the curve, and outside the curved line See, any four-sided figure we can say it is a quadrilateral. Okay. See, here this is a three-sided figure. We can say it is a triangle, and four-sided figure we can say it is a quadrilateral, and then five-sided figure. It is the name of the five-sided figure is pentagon. Okay. So here let us see about the parts of the polygons. Okay. What are the parts of the polygons? Let us take an example. A four-sided figure. So first let us see what is a polygon and what is the closed figure. Okay, that is it is a two-dimensional closed figure. This closed figure, that is the polygons, are made up of line segments. Line segments. Okay. So this we can name it as A, B, C and D. Okay. So this is a closed figure and it is a two-dimensional figure, and we can say this is made up of line segments. Okay. So what are the line segments? AB is one line segment and BC is one line segment. Okay. And CD is one line segment and DA is another line segment. Here we have how many line segments? Four line segments. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 line segments. Okay. So this line segments we can say it is a side of a polygon. The first part of the polygon we can say, first part of the polygon, side of the polygon. Okay, that is sides. Sides of the polygon. Okay, so what are those sides? Here we have take a example. What are the sides of this figure? AB is one side and BC is another side and CD is third side and DA is fourth side. Okay, these are line segments. Okay, four line segments join togetherness we get the polygon. This is a quadrilateral. Okay, or we can take this is a square also we can take. Okay, square also we can take. Okay, and then see here the another part. Okay, the another part of the polygon. What are the another part? The end points of the line segments join. Okay, join to form a closed figure. That joining point. Okay, this we can say it is a vertices. That we can say it is a vertices. The second part of the polygon we can say it is a vertices. Okay, so what are the vertices here in this figure? A, B, C, D. Okay, the point A is one vertex and B is another vertex, C is another vertex and D is another vertex. What are the vertices here? A, B, C and D is the vertices of the given figure. Okay. Okay, then the another point, another part of the polygon. What is the another part of the polygon? This end points are in common, these two sides are having common end point. Okay, so common point, common starting point or common end point. Okay, the two sides having common point. That two sides we can say it is an adjacent sides. Adjacent sides. See, we have a common, these two sides are having a common point. Okay, so any two sides are having a common point, that we can say it is an adjacent sides. Okay, see, A is a common point, so these two sides are having a common point. This we can say it is an adjacent vertices. These 2 points A and B we can say it is an adjacent vertices. Now first, what we are write? Adjacent sides. Adjacent sides. So what is adjacent sides? Two sides are having a common vertex. That we can say it is an adjacent sides. See, AB and BC. Having B is the common vertex and BC and CD is having a common vertex C. Okay, and then CD and having a common vertex D. Okay, and DA and AB. DA and AB is having a common point A. Is having a common point A. So therefore we can have the AB and BC. AB and BC are adjacent sides, and BC and CD are adjacent sides. DA and AB are adjacent sides. Both are having the common vertex. Okay, and then we move on to the adjacent vertices. Next part of the given polygon is adjacent vertices. Adjacent vertices. Okay, so we have a common line segment with both the sides are having 2 points. Okay, that is common points. See, these two are adjacent vertices, and B and C are adjacent vertices. C and D are adjacent vertices. D and A are adjacent vertices. Okay, so A and B are adjacent vertices. B and C are adjacent vertices. C and D are adjacent vertices. D and A are adjacent vertices. See, A and B are adjacent vertices. B and C are adjacent vertices, and C and D are adjacent vertices, and D and A are adjacent vertices. Okay, then we move on to the next part of the polygon. So what is the next part of the polygon? Diagonals. Okay, see here we are joining the opposite vertices. Okay, we can join the opposite vertices. That we can say it is a diagonals. Okay, see here we are joining AC. Okay, and BD. Okay, these two are diagonals. Okay, so what does mean by diagonals? Two sides, the opposite vertices. We are joining the opposite vertices. That we can say it is a diagonal. If we have a five-sided figure, okay, in this we join like this. Okay, so but we have a five-sided figure. Okay, see here like this. Here, how we can join the diagonals? Okay, so like this we can draw. So like this we have a diagonals. Okay, and the opposite sides. Okay, see like this also we can draw. So how many diagonals we have here? See, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so A, D, A, C. Okay, these are the two diagonals from the vertex A, and B. BE and BD are the two diagonals we can draw from the vertex B and C. So from C we can draw two diagonals, CE and CA. Okay, so like this we have a diagonals. Okay, you know how to draw the diagonals now, children? Okay, so what is diagonals? The opposite vertices we can draw a line segment. We can join the opposite vertices. We have a diagonals. Okay, children, understood? Okay, these are the things given in your textbook, that is curves we saw. Okay, so the types of curves, in that the parts of the closed curve also we saw. Okay, and then polygons. Okay, and exercise 4.2 is given in your textbook based on this concepts. Okay, try it yourself.